My Igbo is beautiful because of dance. So being born in the States, going to Nigerian parties was my first real exposure to the culture. And so when you get there after you finish breaking the kola nut and you're doing, whatever, it's time for the dance portion. And so getting into that and continue that throughout my life, I dance now. It's just one of the most expressive ways that I can talk about my culture through movement. So for me, dancing to anything from high life to flavor to, anything, it's just what makes my culture so beautiful and personal for me. It's Nneka Ogojaku, and my Igbo is beautiful. If you see me, call me